Hi, and welcome to At Home with Anita Rosner. I have a quick question for you. How do you like your cookies? I like mine chewy and sweet, but not too sweet. They need to have a little kick. So I developed a cookie called Coconut Zingers, and today I'm going to show you how to make them. Coconut Zingers are very similar to macarons, but there are a couple of differences. For one thing, I like them with dark chocolate chips. Those are optional. You can skip them if you don't like chocolate, which I don't understand, but some people don't like chocolate. Go figure. The other difference is I added cranberries because that tartness cuts the sweetness and makes them, in my opinion, just right. As an added bonus, they are egg-free and they are flourless, which means they're gluten-free. Here's how to make them. You will need 14 ounces of unsweetened shredded coconut, 14 ounces of sweetened condensed milk, a quarter cup of sugar, a quarter cup of chopped almonds, 1 cup of roughly chopped cranberries, a teaspoon of vanilla, and 1 cup of dark chocolate chips, if you feel like it. In a large bowl, combine the coconut with the sugar, almonds, cranberries, and mix well to combine. Then mix in the condensed milk. And don't forget that vanilla. Then add your chocolate chips. Combine until everything is well moistened. Scoop out about a tablespoon and shape into balls, placing them on a parchment-lined baking sheet. Bake in a 325 oven for 15 to 20 minutes until they just start to brown. Be careful not to overbake or your cookies will be dry. Cool on the cookie sheet about 4 minutes and then transfer to a wire rack. So here they are. They are toasty. They are crispy on the outside and chewy on the inside. I will break one open so you can see. Look at that deliciousness. Zing! So good. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, become a subscriber, and leave a comment for me. I love to hear from you. Join me again next time here at home with Anita Rosner. Thanks for watching.